Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, ikaw magkaret nagkakawaw.
Yeah, that's me, Dinal RC. Palit mga tao na napakyana kung hino ba itong nga lalaki na nagwawaray galing dito nga music video. I'm a solo artist. I'm also a member of Agaron.
Baby, ano di mo ginhimo ha akong girl, you change me. Ginpupugan ako nera nga.
And I'm also a member of Motok Philippines, the Lazy Bone, of Bone Thugs and Harmony. I'm at a video shoot right now.
Oh, yo, what up?
This guy right here.
Niall right now in Laguna shooting this commercial. We doing it right now.
Doing it right now.
Look out weekend, cause yeah, I come because weekends were made for fun.
It's a new experience for me. But this guy, it looks like he's been doing this for years and years. Maupay nga aga Pilipinas. Ali na kami set. Amo ni tagsulot para shoot.
Look at you right in the middle.
Check it out, we're at the shoot right now. Look at that camera setup.
Next one, let's go. Okay.
Me and February Bank, we actually record at the same studio. So, when we were having Zoom meetings before the shoot, nagulat ako kasi nandun din si February Bank. Sabi ko, damn! Anong tawag sa rig na yan?
Ronin.
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 Sus Mariusip. Gulat ako dyan. Galing,
Gimbal,
galing.
sa gimbal.
Playback tayo.
Okay, now.
Yeah, let me show you guys the lighting setup. Ayun na ko with lighting. Ini nga light, harayo man. It's like all over there. And we got all these other lights. Another light, another light. And above the dancers, we got a light. We even got the lights projected to our faces.
Mga batas naman puro mga out of control. Laro na yung dugo.
So the Bisaya rapper or the Cebuano rapper, that's the homie Cookies. We actually have another song together, Halarom.
Inyong mga agi kay wag apoy unod.
So yeah, it's pretty cool to see Cookies on this song as well. Galing dito, bisdak ko.
Hawuda imong dugo, maayo kini, mga waray. Ilocano,
Hey, is it weird that I got Tindog Barahibo at that part?
mga waray.
I'm doing a Waray rap. It's only 2 bars. Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, it ka magkarit na kakawaw. Yeah. So that's what we're recording. Mindanao, yeah, listen, Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, it ka magkarit na kakawaw. That was a cool take. I think if I'm having fun, it might sound better. Do one more. Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, it ka magkarit na kakawaw. Yeah. I was just about to wrap up the video, but it looks like Dito just tagged me in the solo that I did. So check out my solo, man. It looks like this. Original Pinoy motog nga matarong medila. Usaha mga pinili-nili sa Bandidia, Pilipinas. Galing dito, Bispadayo. Nice to meet you, I'm Denial. Iba nga klase, nga waray nun. Tawaga kami nga agaron. Galing dito, Bispadayo. I can't show you the whole thing, so yeah, man, it's up on Dito's channel on YouTube and Facebook. So maybe I'll drop a link. Feel free to check it out. Sana magustuhan nyo. Sana magustuhan nyo yung music video. Sa totoo lang, minsan lang may Waray-Waray representation sa ganitong project. It's an honor. Ako, Hidinal RC, di kang hasama. Check it out.